Modi government completes 1 year in office today and the Prime Minister is winning the perception battle. His government may have missed the pulse of the country on a few issues, but the outlook is favourable for NDA. We at Times Now have the biggest snap poll on the year gone by, with over 75,000 respondents giving their verdict. Here it is.
मैंने आपको कहा था, मैं कभी चैन से बैठूंगा नहीं, मैं कभी वैकेशन नहीं लूंगा, मैं कभी आराम नहीं करूंगा.
In Mathura, Prime Minister Modi hard selling the achievements of his government, which completes a year in office. But has the man who came to power on the promise of Achhe Din delivered on that?
37.6% still hopeful. The big yes is 27.7%. And a big no is 27.7%. So it's
That's huge.
Yes.
That's huge. Actually, that gives you a clear sense of the fact that, if you look at it in terms of how many people are purely endorsing the government right now, who believe strongly that the Achhe Din have arrived, it's only 27.7%.
आज अब गरीब के पैसे कोई लूट नहीं पाएगा और उन 27,000 करोड़ भी उनको बताया है. आप बता दीजिए, आप पैसा आप जहां होंगे वहां मैं जमा करवा दूंगा.
The government has listed out its highlights, but it's failing evident in the fight to control inflation and in the addressing of the farmers' plight. Rahul Gandhi's suit-boot jibe, though, splitting opinion, with nearly half the respondents agreeing with the perception.
Do you perceive this as a suit-boot government? 43% say big yes. 43% of the people of this country have bought into the whole suit-boot argument against this government. 51% say no. Now assume this, there's a much larger number of people who would be supporting the BJP in a clear bipolar situation on a poll such as this.
ये गरीब के खून के पसीने के पैसे 27,000 करोड़ रुपया ये गरीबों के नाम पर बात करने वालों ने अपनी तिजोरियों में बंद करके रखा हुआ था मेरे भाई.
Riding on the promise to get back black money, the C-voter approval ratings show that the respondents feel let down by the government's U-turn.
Very interesting. The promise that was made on the election plank has turned out to be the biggest letdown for the Modi government 1 year down the line. It is the issue of black money. It's a whopping 50% who believe that the government has let down the people on the issue of black money.
But it's not all gloom and doom, with hope for the Modi government to still come good on its promises.
84% on this side.
Yes, and we could see that sense when you put out the first question.
Yeah.
When we saw that about 65% was still hopeful. It was that bunch which said big yes and still largely hopeful.
Yeah.
And that sentiment continues, wherein they believe perhaps this government needs some more time to prove itself and to actually actualize the promise that they have made.
आने वाले 5 साल में नदियों को जोड़ने का काम हो, बारिश के पानी को रोकने का काम हो, पानी को पहुंचाने का काम हो, जल संचय का काम हो.
Where the government is fighting a losing perception battle is in its effort to control the fringe.
When this question is put out, has the government controlled fringe elements? Only 43% say yes, which means even among 40% say no. Now make the assumption that the Congress in terms of a popularity poll would be in single digits or a little over that. Yes. That means there are a lot of BJP voters who feel Mr. Modi is not done enough to control the fringe elements.
The government, which promised the development pitch, has to do a quick course correction.
The fringe have overshadowed development. 59% of the people believe that it has. That's almost 60% of people who believe, whether in terms of perception or otherwise, we must put this qualifier, that the fringe issue has overshadowed development in the first year of the Modi government.
So they cannot have more of these Ramzadeh comments. They cannot have the more of Sakshi Maharaj and Yogi Adityanath, the vitriolic yogi kind of people, because that seems to overshadow the main cause this government is trying to push. That is.
It's been 365 days since he came to power, an important landmark for the Modi government. But the hard work still remains, and so do the expectations. Bureau Report, Times Now.